I've earned 30 plus certifications, and I'm here to guide you to success on your exam. Welcome to the Ultimate CIS-ITSM Exam Masterclass. Are you ready to crack the CIS-ITSM exam in one go? You're in the right place. In this session, we'll arm you with powerful insights and hand-picked questions that can make all the difference in your exam performance. We've scanned the web using intelligent crawlers to gather the most critical and high-impact questions, all compiled into one powerful PDF resource. You can download it from the link in the description. Not only will we explore these must-practice questions, but we'll also share real exam experiences and pro tips to give you that competitive edge. Let's dive into the key questions that could shape your success. Question 1. Which field from the configuration item will automatically populate in the assignment group field of an incident record? A. Managed by. B. Support group. C. Approval group. D. Change group. Correct answer B. Support group. Explanation. The support group field in the CI record automatically maps to the assignment group in incidents. This ensures incidents are routed to the right resolver team. Question 2. Which of the following are defined for a given change model? Choose 3. A. Phase transitions. B. State model. C. State transition conditions. D. Phase model. E. State transitions. Correct answer B, C, and E. State model. State transition conditions. State transitions. Explanation. A change model includes state models, state transitions, and transition conditions. These elements define how a change moves across its lifecycle. Question 3. When is a change task for post-implementation review created for an unauthorized change? A. When the change request moves to close. B. When a change manager accepts the change. C. When the change request moves to a state of review. D. When the change request moves to a state of assess. Correct answer C. When the change request moves to a state of review. Explanation. An unauthorized change triggers the post-implementation review when it moves into the review state. This ensures compliance checking before closure. Question 4. Which should be used to explore the entire hierarchy and table definitions of the configuration management database classes? A. Reports. B. CI class manager. C. Application menus. D. Dependency view. Correct answer B. CI class manager. Explanation. The CI class manager is used to view and manage CMDB hierarchy and table definitions. It provides a structured overview of all CI classes. Question 5. Which of the following cannot be defined or set through a catalog UI policy? A. Setting a variable to mandatory. B. Apply a requirement to all form views. C. Setting a catalog category to visible. D. Setting a variable to read-only. Correct answer B. Apply a requirement to all form views. Explanation. Catalog UI policies apply to catalog items, not all form views globally. Apply to all form views is not supported in catalog UI policies. Question 6. Which type of catalog item should be used to create an incident record from the portal? A. Incident template. B. Request item. C. Order guide. D. Record producer. Correct answer D. Record producer. Explanation. A record producer is used to create records like incidents directly from the portal. It provides a simplified form for end users. Question 7. Which incident management roles are activated by installing the ITSM Roles plugin, com.snc.itsm.roles? Choose 2. A. SN_incident_read. B. ITSM_incident_read. C. Incident underscore manager. D. SN underscore incident underscore right. E. ITSM underscore incident underscore right. Correct answer A and D. SN underscore incident underscore read. SN underscore incident underscore right. Explanation. Installing the ITSM roles plugin enables SN underscore incident underscore read and SN underscore incident underscore write. These roles control read and write access for incident records. Question 8. A customer requests that when the service desk agent clicks on the information icon for the caller's name, the quick view frame shows only the following fields: username, manager name, email address, employee ID. How would you modify the quick view frame? A. Update the sys underscore pop-up view for the user table. B. Update the sys underscore quick view for the caller table. C. Update the sys underscore pop-up view for the caller table. D. Update the sys underscore quick view for the user table. Correct answer A. Update the sys underscore pop-up view for the user table. Explanation. The sys underscore pop-up view controls what fields appear when viewing a user's details. Updating this ensures only the requested fields are displayed. Question 9. Your customer has built a mature knowledge base, with articles targeted to internal audiences which are technical. Other articles are written for end users, with simple instructions. From the incident form, the agents would like to be able to identify which articles are visible to the callers. What feature would you use to satisfy this requirement? A. Internal/external highlighting. B. Search as user. C. Show user viewable. D. User only view. Correct answer B. Search as user. Explanation. Search as user lets agents see results as if they were the caller. This helps identify which articles are visible to the end user. Question 10. Your customer is using the baseline Create Incident Catalog item and would like to add a few additional input fields. How should you update the catalog item? A. Edit in Catalog Item Designer. B. Edit in Item Designer. C. Edit in Catalog Builder. D. Edit in Form Designer. Correct answer C. Edit in Catalog Builder. Explanation. The Catalog Builder is the recommended tool to extend catalog items. It allows you to add input fields while keeping the item structured. Question 11. Your customer is complaining that service desk users keep accidentally assigning incidents to the network CAB instead of network support. You have confirmed that the network support group record has the group types, incident and change. The network CAB group record has the group type, change. What could you do on the incident form for the assignment group field to resolve this issue? A. Add a UI action to hide the network CAB group from the list. B. Add a UI action to provide an error message if the network CAB group is selected. C. Add dictionary override to specify the incident group reference qualifier. D. Modify the choice list to include only the appropriate group types. Correct answer C. Add dictionary override to specify the incident group reference qualifier. Explanation. A dictionary override with a reference qualifier filters the assignment group list. This ensures only incident-eligible groups appear in selection. Question 12. Which agent workspace feature gives agents automatic search results that show possible solutions for records they open? A. Chatbot. B. Related search results. C. Knowledge bases. D. Intelligent agent. E. Agent assist. Correct answer E. Agent assist. Explanation. Agent assist automatically suggests knowledge, incidents, and solutions. It reduces handling time by giving agents relevant content instantly. Question 13. Which capability provides visibility to data joined between multiple tables? A. Database views. B. Metric tables. C. Published reports. D. Custom tables. E. Breakdown sources. Correct answer A. Database views. Explanation. Database views let you combine data from multiple tables into a single view. This enables complex reporting without duplicating data. Question 14. What tools are available to the assignee to help resolve an incident? Choose 2. A. Knowledge articles. B. Workarounds. C. CI Class Manager. D. Incident Overview Dashboard. E. Enterprise CMDB Dashboard. Correct answer A and B. Knowledge articles. Workarounds. Explanation. Assignees can use knowledge articles and workarounds to quickly resolve incidents. These resources provide proven fixes and temporary solutions. Question 15. When using inbound email actions, what happens if an email is received which has no watermark or reference number? A. New incident created from the message. B. New interaction is created from the message. C. Email is rejected and auto-reply sent to sender. D. New case is created from the message. Correct answer A. New incident created from the message. Explanation. Without a watermark, ServiceNow treats the email as a new request. A fresh incident is automatically created from the email content. Question 16. Under what circumstances should you use the Communicate Workaround related link on the problem record? A. The workaround is helpful information for the callers on the problem's related incidents open. B. The workaround should be published to a knowledge article, visible from the portal. C. The workaround is helpful information for the members of the problem's assignment group. D. The workaround is helpful information for the members of the problem's work notes list. Correct answer A. The workaround is helpful information for the callers on the problem's related incidents, open. Explanation. The Communicate Workaround action shares the workaround with all open related incidents. This helps callers benefit immediately from the workaround. Question 17. Which interface is designed for Tier 1 IT agents who solve internal or external customer issues? A. ITSM Dashboard. B. IT Service Management Workspace, Agent Workspace. C. ITIL Homepage. D. Incident Overview. Correct answer B. IT Service Management Workspace, Agent Workspace. Explanation. The Agent Workspace is optimized for Tier 1 agents. It provides a modern interface with contextual tools to handle customer issues. Question 18. Which module is a useful starting point for a manager to view current state operational information for incident management? A. CMDB Health Dashboard. B. Incident Overview. C. Manager Workspace. D. Critical Incidents Map. Correct answer B. Incident Overview. Explanation. The Incident Overview module gives managers a snapshot of incident trends and status. It helps track workload and resolution performance. Question 19. The problem table is extended from what table? A. Task. B. Major incident. C. Outage. D. Problem task. E. Incident. Correct answer A. Task. Explanation. The problem table extends the task table in ServiceNow. This means it inherits common task fields like assignment and state. Question 20. The problem manager wants the problem coordinators to be able to reanalyze a completed problem. Which module could they use to make this change? A. Problem Administration Problem Properties. B. System UI Action Groups. C. State Management State Models. D. System UI Form Actions. E. System UI actions. Correct answer A. Problem administration. Problem properties. Explanation. Problem properties let managers control problem record behaviors. Enabling reanalysis of completed problems can be configured here. Question 21. Your problem manager has a structured problem management process, which includes a final review of the solution implemented and of the data regarding incident reduction. When a problem is resolved, after implementing a fix, they want the post-fix review task to be automatically created and assigned to the problem assignee. What feature would you use to meet this requirement? A. State model. B. Workflow dashboard. C. Action modeler. D. Task creator. E. Flow designer. Correct answer E. Flow designer. Explanation. Flow designer allows automated creation of follow-up tasks like post-fix reviews. It ensures consistent problem closure processes. Question 22. Your customer needs help defining category values for the problem records. What approach should you suggest? Choose 2. A. Reuse existing categories from legacy systems. B. Define categories based on the customer's CMDB classes. C. Reuse existing categories from incident management. D. Define categories based on ITIL problem taxonomy. Correct answer, B and C. Define categories based on the customer's CMDB classes. Reuse existing categories from incident management. Explanation. Categories should align with CMDB classes and incident management categories. This ensures consistency across ITSM processes. Question 23. When a user clicks on the Communicate Fix UI action on the problem form, what happens? A. Fix is written to the comments field on any incident associated with the problem, which is on hold, awaiting problem. B. Fix is written to the Work Notes field on any incident associated with the problem, which is active. C. Fix is written to the comments field on any incident associated with the problem, which is active. D. Fix is written to a draft knowledge article. Correct answer B. Fix is written to the Work Notes field on any incident associated with the problem, which is active. Explanation. The Communicate Fix action posts the fix to the Work Notes of active incidents. This keeps agents updated without exposing it to callers. Question 24. Users with which role can communicate a workaround or fix? Choose 2. A. ITIL_admin. B. Problem_coordinator. C. Problem_task_analyst. D. Problem_admin. Correct answer, B and D. Problem_coordinator. Problem_admin. Explanation. Both problem_coordinator and problem_admin roles have permissions to communicate fixes and workarounds. These roles manage problem resolutions. Question 25. When a user clicks on the Communicate Workaround UI action on the problem form, what happens? A. Workaround is written to the comments field on any open incident associated with the problem. B. Workaround is written to the workaround field on any incident associated with the problem. C. Workaround is written to a draft knowledge article. D. Workaround is written to the Work Notes field on any open incident associated with the problem. Correct answer D. Workaround is written to the Work Notes field on any open incident associated with the problem. Explanation. The workaround is posted into the Work Notes of related open incidents. This ensures only support agents see the workaround. Question 26. A tester wants to submit a bug report because they are not able to see the Communicate Fix link under the related links on the problem form. What do you recommend that they confirm before submitting the bug report? Choose 2. A. Tester is impersonating a user with communications.manager role. B. Tester is impersonating the assignee, which has the problem_coordinator role. C. Tester is impersonating a user with problem_coordinator role. D. The fixed notes field is filled in and saved. Correct answer, C and D. Tester is impersonating a user with problem_coordinator role. The fixed notes field is filled in and saved. Explanation. The communicate fixed link appears only if the user has the problem_coordinator role and the fixed notes field is completed. Question 27. Problem and problem task records move automatically from new to assess states when which fields are filled? Choose 2. A. Short descriptor. B. State. C. Assigned to. D. Configuration item. Correct answer, B and C. State. Assigned to. Explanation. Records transition from new to assess when the state and assigned to fields are set. These fields mark the record ready for evaluation. Question 28. On a change approval definition record, what does the wait for condition define? A. Whether the change approval is sent to an individual user or a group. B. The state the change must be in before the approval notifications can be sent. C. The number or percentage of users from the approval group that must approve the change. D. The fields that must be populated before the approval can be requested. Correct answer, C. The number or percentage of users from the approval group that must approve the change. Explanation. The wait for condition sets how many group members must approve. It can be a number or a percentage of the approvers. Question 29. In what table are change records stored? A. Change _task. B. Change request RFC. C. Change request change_request. D. Change. E. Change task_change. Correct answer, C. Change request change_request. Explanation. All change requests are stored in the table change request change_request. This is the primary table for change records in ServiceNow. Question 30. Risk is configured by default to calculate risk equals high for a change that is scheduled with only 3 days lead time. Your customer's change policy requires that changes be requested with 5 days lead time. How would you satisfy this requirement? A. Update the risk property for insufficient lead time. B. Update the risk assessment matrix for insufficient lead time. C. Update the calculate risk UI action. D. Update the risk matrix for insufficient lead time. E. Update the risk condition for insufficient lead time. Correct answer, E. Update the risk condition for insufficient lead time. Explanation. Risk conditions control how risk is calculated. Updating the insufficient lead time condition ensures compliance with the 5-day policy. Please revise full PDF 2 to 3 times for 100% success. Check the description for the PDF download link and don't forget to subscribe to this channel for upcoming episodes. Thank you.